Hi everyone, so another GR Yaris in with us. This one's in for a nice power upgrade with plenty of mods and a full engine build as well. So let's take a look at what we've done. So we started by strengthening the heart of the engine. Inside now it's running CP forged pistons and Nitto conrods, an HKS head gasket, DP head studs, and all designed to cope with the higher cylinder pressures from the bigger boost it's going to run. We've also converted the block to a closed deck design, which massively increases reliability at this power level by preventing any cylinder wall distortion. For extra oil control under hard driving, we fitted a Lamspeed Racing baffled sump, helping to maintain consistent oil pressure during aggressive cornering and track use. Up top we fitted Kelford 267A cams with Kelford valve springs, giving the engine the breathing ability to make more power at high RPM while keeping the valve train control rock solid. So the target on this car is about 400 horsepower. It came in running 300 horsepower. We did a dyno test before we've done any mods like we always do. So to get that power we've fitted an Artec G2550 turbo. So this is going to be the first car we've used that on. It looks like a lovely bit of kit. It's basically a custom made turbo from the ground up with the Garrett G2550 internals inside it. And to help that breathe we fitted an Eventuri carbon intake kit, which not only improves airflow but also gives an incredible induction sound and looks fantastic too. Fueling is handled by DeatschWerks 1100cc injectors, and for engine control we went with a Syvecs ECU. Now we could have used the stock ECU with an Artec custom tune, but the customer wanted the safety features and mapping flexibility that comes with the Syvecs ECU. On the exhaust side we fitted one of our Whifbitz big bore race pipes, which massively improves flow and turbo response. The car already had a Miltek resonating exhaust fitted, which pairs perfectly with the freer flowing exhaust for a deeper tone without being over loud. To handle the extra torque we've upgraded the clutch with an Xtreme Performance heavy duty organic, which comes with a lightweight flywheel as well. So this is the first time we've used the Artec turbo and it's really impressive. Just look at the dyno graph attached. It spools up so fast with no loss of low down torque or power, and these figures will achieve a 1.9 bar boost on 99 RON pump fuel. That means there's even more to come if need be, with a little bit extra boost, or if the customer wants to go a bit further, some E85 fuel could unlock even more power, maybe around the 450, 480 horsepower mark. And the sound it makes, the spool, wastegate chatter, it's absolutely amazing. So next up I'm going to give it a quick run on the dyno so you can hear what it sounds like. So that's our 423 horsepower GR Yaris build. CP pistons, Nitto rods, Kelford cam, Eventuri intake, Lamspeed baffled sump, forged, boosted and built to last. If you want your Yaris, Super or any other performance car taken to the next level, get in touch with us at Whifbitz, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Yeah.